Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. Let's begin. So for this fix, you need to log into the website version of Telegram. So do not use the app version for Android or iPhone. You simply have to use the one for the website. So you're going to go to web.telegram.org and then you're going to sign in with your details. And once you're done, you go to the top left corner, then select the three horizontal lines. Once you're done, you're going to select settings in the middle. Then you're going to scroll down a bit, then select privacy and security. Now what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way down and then look for something which says sensitive content. Now, if you don't want the error to pop up, you're simply going to select disable filtering. Do not hide media that contains content suitable only for adults. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.